IREN jumped 13% today, breaking a 9-day losing streak. The catalyst was a $19 billion data center lease signed between TeraWulf and Anthropic. Speculation that IREN could be next in line for a similar deal. We ran the FSR. Here's what a full-year data shows. IREN operates data centers and mines Bitcoin. That combination has made it a direct play on two of the biggest narratives in the market today: AI infrastructure and crypto. The company was formerly known as Iris Energy. They changed their name to IREN in late 2024. Today's move comes from sector-wide lift after TeraWulf announced a $19 billion lease with Anthropic, with speculation immediately building that IREN could land something similar. Freedom Broker upgraded IREN today with a buy rating and a $58 target. 1 year of daily data: FSR Score 52%, Rolling FSR 84%. Price started the year near $18, ran up to a peak near 77, the 52-week high, then sold off hard. The yearly average sits at $43. Price has been oscillating around that average for months, currently sitting right at it following today's 13% jump. 52% overall FSR in a stock that went from 15 to 77 and back to 44 in 1 year. That volatile round trip is exactly what produces a moderate low score. The rolling FSR at 84% tells you the short windows have had some structure, but this is a news-driven, momentum-driven stock. It moves on headlines, not on steady fundamental trends. The Analyst average target is $80, nearly double today's price. The CEO just received a $700 million stock award that drew controversy. The company is still reporting net losses, but the AI data and center narrative is powerful enough right now that none of that is stopping today's move. Earnings August 27th. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.